G'day everybody and welcome to the winery. Today's job, I'm just going to make up a fitting to put onto one of our cross-flow filters so that they can drain the air out of it while they're filling it. We're going to essentially be removing a sample cock and welding some fittings together so that we can incorporate the sample cock and a butterfly valve. Here's our butterfly valve. And I've got our T and the triclover fittings and elbow. Here we go. In my pile of junk, I've got a heap of these are purge fittings for different milk fittings, and I've made up a heap of different things to help me. This is one that allows me to tack and purge. So there's a hole there, and it exits just below this cone. And there's also holes at that end of the cone. There. And this nut that screws on there and is relieved so that it doesn't block those holes. Let me put it all together. Okay, so here we have it all nice and aligned, and this is just a normal clamp with holes drilled in it that I use. That helps me to tack. So I'll tape the end of that up. Purging gas goes in there, it'll flood this up, comes out there, and we can tack. And if it's well held, you can even fully weld it like that. The forklift makes my helmet lens come on and off. It goes dark light, dark light, dark light. It's a bit hard to see. And plenty of good strong tacks. A lot of guys use clamps, like vice grips to hold them. I just use a bolt because I'm not in a big hurry. Plenty of decent size, good strong tacks. This is a homemade welding positioner. I just turn it by hand. It's got a sintered filter in the middle there. It's connected to this hose, and that's where I couple the purging gas to, and it just goes through. I'll set this up and I'll show you that. because of the way this thing is, it's quite loose on there and it rocks over. So I've just popped this on here as a counterweight. See that? It's safe enough. Okay, let's weld it out. Now the bloody, I don't know why, I must have bumped the button when I put the phone down, but it didn't record it, the weld. But yeah, that's come out pretty good. I'll record me doing this one. Okay, you can see the purge weld worked out perfect. So that just needs to be cleaned up now, and I've got this one more job to do. So this one is just a spout off the end of the valve. Right, go wash that off with cold water and a scouring pad, and I'll bring it back, and then it'll be wire brush until I'm happy with the finish. It's straight out of the pickling paste. Okay, just a stainless steel wire brush finish, and that'll do me. Okay, surface is good enough. The internal welds are what's important, and that's looking good. So now I've just got to assemble the valve itself, and then it's ready to go onto the machine. Here we go. Okay, so that's ready to go onto the machine now. Unfortunately, the machine's currently in use, so I can't fit it now. But once they've finished and they've flushed it all out, then I will. So this will clamp in line to an existing triclover, and where there is a sample cock currently mounted, and the sample cock will go here, and this will give them their valve that they want to be able to bleed it out, purge the filter while they're cleaning or filling it. All right, that's it. Something different. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.